I've got the celery, carrot and garlic frying in olive oil. So this is the base vegetables. And once these are cooked down, I'm going to add the mince and some other spices. For a lovely cottage pie. Lovely treat for the middle of winter. Okay, I've cooked down those celery, carrots and garlic sufficiently. Now I've added the meat. All the quantities will be in the description box below. But you can use either lamb or beef. I don't have lamb at the moment, so I'm only using beef. So I'll let that cook down into it. Okay, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of plain flour and 2 cups of beef stock. Once this cooks for a couple of minutes, I'll add some tomato paste, some Worcestershire sauce and some beef stock. And the flour obviously is a thickening agent for the sauce. Okay, that's 1, and that's 2, and that's the end of that. At this point, add your Worcestershire sauce. And 2 cups of stock. I'm adding beef stock, Campbell's beef stock, because I'm using beef. There it is. And a 2nd cup. And I'm just going to let this simmer now for about 25 to 30 minutes. And adjust the seasoning. Once it cooks down a bit, I'll just taste it. So put it down to simmer and just let it bubble away. That's nice. And a tiny little bit of sugar for tang. Add a little bit more and let that bubble away. I've got the potato topping for my shepherd's pie on the boil, and the mince is cooking down really nicely now. It's been simmering for about 20 minutes. I'll give it another 5 minutes and then decant it into its dish. Then I'll mash these lovely potatoes with butter and milk, put it over it and bake it. It's all lovely and golden and bubbling. And it'll be superb because it's really cold tonight, and it's just what you want to eat on a cold, wintry night. Alright, it's cooked. So I'm going to place it into my oven dish. Smells gorgeous. And I've put a dollop of hot sauce through it too, so it's going to have a little bit of a kick, which I don't mind on cold wintry nights. And just level this out. There we go. Once the potatoes are cooked and mashed, they'll simply go on top. Lovely yummy dinner. Potatoes are done and mashed, so I'm just going to dollop them over. And then just spread them out with a fork to make them nice and spiky. So those bits will catch and get golden and bubbly. There you go. It's a perfect mess. See those little peaks that one makes with the fork? And then just little dobs of butter on top, tiny little ones. And this is going to be baked. And as I said, all the recipe, quantities, cooking time will all be in the description box below. So, there you go. Shepherd's pie.